Hey guys, so just a quick tip. So today I'm going to show you my cup dispenser. There's no need to cross-contaminate, no excuse, very cheap option. Check it out. So as you can see, really basic. It's just a soda bottle. I got a lid on it, which is just a food container that fits in there really nice, just to keep everything clean. And obviously if you pull one at a time, you'll always have your cups clean, no contamination. You see it works fine. It's a really cheap way to kind of keep things tidy and clean. If you want to see the full version, check out my other videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will catch you guys soon.